Hey there! In today's video I want to show you the newly introduced React documentation. The new and only website for this documentation was introduced just 2 days ago, and I'm really excited to explore it and show it to you. Before that, for quite a long time, like a couple of years, we had two websites with React documentation: the official reactjs.org and the beta version website with all new approaches, which then turned into current official documentation. That means it is much more convenient and straightforward for all developers who use React. You don't have two versions of documentation, but only one source of truth. What is the difference between the old documentation and the new one? By the way, the old one is moved now to legacy reactjs.org. So this is an old one and this is fresh and new one. The main difference is the approach to creating React components and building React applications. In short, in the early days there were two different types of React components: class-based and functional components. They were written differently, and the idea was that class-based components had the state and the functional components don't. I'll tell you about the state of the component later in the course. However, when hooks were introduced to React, we will also dive into this concept later, functional components got the possibility to have state and work with it. Now it is the only recommended way to write React applications and to build components, so there is no confusion with class and functions approaches. Don't worry if this doesn't make sense to you yet. In the next videos we will dive into creating React components, combining them together, and then we'll learn about hooks, state, props, and everything else you need to know to start developing your awesome React applications. So check out the new React docs and stay tuned. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, this is really important for me. Cheers and happy coding!